Grizzly bears are magnificent creatures. They roam the wilderness of North America. Their scientific name is grizzlies are a subspecies of the brown bear. They are an iconic symbol of the wild. Grizzly bears are solitary animals. They have large territories. They need these territories for finding food, shelter, and mates. They are a keystone species. Grizzlies play a vital role in their ecosystem. Grizzly bears are omnivores. Their diet varies depending on the season. They feed on berries, roots, insects, fish, and mammals. Salmon is a particularly important food source for grizzlies. Grizzly bears are intelligent animals. They have a complex communication system. This includes vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. They are also surprisingly adaptable. Grizzlies can thrive in a variety of habitats. Grizzly bears are known for their size and power. They are one of the largest land predators in North America. Male grizzlies, called boars, are larger than females, called sows. Adult male grizzlies can weigh up to 600 pounds. They can stand up to 8 feet tall on their hind legs. Females are smaller. They typically weigh between 250 and 400 pounds. The color of a grizzly bear's fur can vary. It ranges from light brown to almost black. The tips of their guard hairs are often lighter. This gives them a grizzled appearance. Grizzly bears have a distinctive hump on their shoulders. This hump is a mass of muscle. It gives them tremendous strength. They need this strength for digging, moving rocks, and catching prey. Grizzly bears have powerful paws with long, sharp claws. Their claws can grow up to 4 inches long. These claws are non-retractable. This means they cannot be drawn back into their paws. The claws of a grizzly bear are formidable tools. They use them for a variety of tasks. These tasks include digging, tearing, and defense. Grizzlies are expert diggers. They use their claws to excavate dens. They also dig for roots, bulbs, and ground squirrels. Their claws are powerful enough to rip through logs and tear open beehives. The claws of a grizzly bear are also formidable weapons. They use them for defense against predators and other bears. A single swipe from a grizzly's paw can inflict serious injury. Section 4, on the brink. Grizzly bears are facing numerous threats. Their populations have declined dramatically in the past century. Habitat loss, hunting, and human-wildlife conflict are the main reasons for their decline. Habitat loss is a major threat to grizzly bears. As humans continue to develop wild areas, grizzlies are losing their homes. Roads, logging, and development fragment their habitat. This makes it difficult for them to find food, shelter, and mates. Hunting has also taken a toll on grizzly bear populations. Although regulated hunting is still allowed in some areas, poaching remains a problem. Grizzlies are sometimes killed illegally for their fur, claws, or other body parts. Human-wildlife conflict is another growing threat to grizzlies. As human populations expand into bear habitat, encounters between bears and humans are becoming more common. These encounters can be dangerous for both bears and humans. Section 5. Protecting the grizzlies. Conservation efforts are crucial for the survival of grizzly bears. Protecting their habitat is essential. This includes creating protected areas such as national parks and wildlife refuges. It also involves reducing habitat fragmentation by building wildlife corridors. Reducing human-bear conflicts is another important aspect of grizzly bear conservation. Educating the public about bear safety is essential. This includes teaching people how to store food properly, dispose of garbage responsibly, and avoid surprising bears in the wild. Monitoring grizzly bear populations is crucial for their management and conservation. Scientists use a variety of methods to track bear movements, estimate population sizes, and assess their health. This information helps guide conservation efforts and ensure the long-term survival of these magnificent creatures. Section 6. Guardians of the Wilderness. Grizzly bears are more than just animals. They're guardians of the wilderness. Their presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem. Protecting grizzly bears is not only about saving a species, it is about preserving the wild places that we all depend on. By supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure that grizzly bears continue to roam the wilds of North America for generations to come. Their future is in our hands. Let us be responsible stewards of the planet and protect these magnificent creatures for all time.